When we walk into an office or lobby like this, we make a snap judgment about the business based on the look and feel of the space. The question is, how do you keep an area consistently clean enough to project a healthy, professional image? Whittaker systems keep high-traffic area carpets looking great without breaking the bank. It all started 60 years ago when Richard Whittaker said enough to destructive and ineffective carpet cleaning methods. Convinced that soaking carpets with water and chemicals was part of the problem, he developed the low-moisture encapsulation method that has revolutionized the industry. Now a global leader, Whittaker Systems is recognized by most major carpet mills and holds several third-party certifications. Its innovative products protect carpets, the environment, and the operators who use them. Conventional carpet cleaning uses a wet extraction method that basically soaks carpets with hot water and chemicals, loosening dirt and grease into the liquid, which is then vacuumed out. When the carpet finally dries, a sticky residue and unpleasant chemical scent often linger. When too much moisture remains for too long, you open up a hornet's nest of potential problems. If the carpet has no vinyl backing, water can soak through to the padding, sometimes even to the floorboards and drywall. If mold and mildew move in, you may face indoor air quality issues known to aggravate health conditions. Encapsulation avoids many potential perils while offering a more efficient carpet cleaning method. Whittaker's crystal chemistry is applied as a liquid and crystallizes. In an hour or less, dirt and grease are captured on carpet fibers within microscopic crystals. These crystals are then vacuumed up at the next regular cleaning. What's left is a clean, dry, color-fast carpet. No fumes, no carcinogens, no residue. By using a Whittaker Smart Care system for interim cleans, carpet piles, spills, and potential stains can be addressed in a timely manner. And with 9 affordable, low-residue crystal chemistry choices, there's a solution for even the toughest carpet challenge. A clean place is a safe place. These dry encapsulation cleaners are both highly effective and environmentally friendly, and well-suited for lead building maintenance. And of course, limiting hot water extractions to an as-needed event reduces water consumption, chemical use, cost, and downtime. Over the past 60 years, Whittaker has elevated carpet maintenance to a science. To make cleaning as efficient as possible, Whittaker developed a hard-working system capable of covering up to 20,000 square feet per hour. The Smart Care Trio sprays a gentle chemistry that pulls soils and debris from deep within the carpet into a collection tray while encapsulating the remaining soil. Using 3 counter-rotating brushes, it lifts the pile to give the carpet a rejuvenated look while extending the carpet's life. Whether you're looking to remove a one-time stain or clean a 10-story building, you can rely on Whittaker for your carpet cleaning needs. For comprehensive coverage, a patented carpet maintenance program offers a step-by-step guide to outstanding results. For interim maintenance, Whittaker's cost-effective products are backed by smart, reliable service. Whittaker is truly your source for consistently cleaner carpets.